welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to reset and change default apps on Android to open PDF file. So in order to do this, you first of all have to go to your phone settings. So once you open up your phone settings, you're going to scroll down until you see apps. Click on apps and you're going to click on choose default apps right here, right at the top of your screen. Click on that and you're going to see all the default apps right here. So since you cannot see anyone, that entails where you can actually open up a PDF. You just have to close this up and you're going to go straight to choose any files, right? Open any file of your choice, just like this, and you can see where it says open with, and you can see open with all this right here. So with this, you can see all these are where you can actually open your PDF with. So you can just literally choose anyone you want to actually open your PDF with. So you can just choose on maybe Samsung Note, and once you click on that, you click on you're supposed to click on always, and it's going to become the default. Let me open it up again. Click on always right here and it's going to become a default. So anytime you want to open any document, it's going to automatically be that. So let's try to open up another file. So you can see just open up with Samsung Note automatically. So it has become the default for PDF file. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see my next video. Bye.